Good morning. Today we are hiking to Captain Cook. This is where they have the Captain Cook Monument around, like, it's close to Kona. And apparently there's really good snorkeling. So I'm really excited to go. It's a almost 2-mile hike down there. You can get like a ferry or a kayak or something, but there's no kayaks available, and we kind of wanted to do our own thing on our own terms. So we're just gonna hike down there with our gear. So I'm pretty sure this is the grass that the raptors hide in Jurassic Park.
He didn't make it, guys. It's like the raptors got him.
Oh, cool.
So there was some random lady on the path holding giant scissors. These little markers here are mile markers. Each one is a quarter mile. So when we get to 8, we'll almost be there. So we are at the Captain Cook Monument, James Cook, who apparently discovered Australia and Hawaii. So kind of a big deal.
I don't think he did. Did he discover
It says discovered Australia and these islands.
It says it was erected by the Commonwealth of Australia.
Yep.
Oh, okay. Alright, cool. Anyways, as you were.
Yeah, that's all. I don't know.
So Captain Cook he discovered Hawaii apparently, and was actually killed here around this spot by the villagers. They had a dispute, and apparently he was run through with a spear, and that was the end of his career
And life.
Yeah. Anyways, it's a great snorkeling spot apparently. Really looking forward to it. We can already see the yellow tangfish.
We're not the only ones who had this idea. But looks like everybody else paid for a boat to take them out here, and we took the hard way.
We did take the hard way, and it's going to be all uphill on the way back.
Yeah. So we're almost back to the car after what was a very long hike uphill the whole way. It's not really that long, but it's like 2 miles, 2,000 feet of elevation change. There's just hardly any flat the whole way. It's just up, up, up through like really rocky terrain, and at one point an angry hive of bees, so we had to book it through that part, but we're almost there and we're gonna get some ice cream.